over here in the corner of my yard is this old brick building, which I kind of, you know, this is kind of where I mess around with my blacksmith stuff. There's my homemade blower and my homemade forge. And I'll show you how that works. It's just a dimmer switch. I can turn it up. It turns the fan on high. I turn it down, you know, when I don't need it blowing. I'm thinking about trying to make a curved gouge out of this drill bit to help me make a wooden bowl or a wooden cup. I'm gonna put it in the forge and just get it red hot and let it air cool by itself. That'll soften the metal and let me work it a little bit. While I'm waiting for that to warm up, I will have a beverage. Oh, ha, tricked you, didn't I? Robert at Blugrass Bushcraft, he gave me this ale 8 when I met with those guys up in Kentucky. Anyway, I've been waiting. Tastes like a Mountain Dew. Tastes like a Mountain Dew with a little bit of ginger ale added to it, kind of. I like it. Yeah, I'd say that's red hot now. I'm gonna let that cool off for a little while. I gotta admit, this stuff. I like this stuff. I heard it wasn't really that good, but I like it. All right. Once it cooled down, I took it to my little 1x30 sander, and I sanded down these shoulders right here, and I sanded it flat. Flat. I got that. There was a point here, and there was a point in the middle, and there was a point right here. I got all them off. And now I'm going to try to curve it, you know, so it'll be curved. I can gouge, make my bowl. The plan is, after I get it hot, I'm going to lay it on top of this spark plug wrench and tap it down so it'll get the same curve as this. Getting there. All right. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to take a wire brush to it and clean it up a little bit more, and then I'll put it in the oven. Oh no, wait. First, I got to heat it back up and dunk it. Well, now I just got to wait about an hour. Just kind of roughed that out of that old axe handle. And then I got a piece of copper pipe that I'm going to put that on. I'm going to cut that, drill a hole, and I'll put my gouge in there. And I'll use this for, you know, my handle. This is kind of how it's going to go. Anyway, something kind of like this. Well, when I was drilling the handle, I got my hole a little bit crooked. But anyway, here it is. I what do you call that? Chamfered the end, so when I'm hitting it with my mallet, you know, it won't splinter or anything. Anyway, it's sharp. Anyway, I think it's cool. Anyway, see you later.